Guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about Google search tips and tricks you must use in 2023. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. As Google is the most used platform, we are going to see few tips and tricks that will be making you to better use this platform. So for firstly, let's say that you are searching for something on Google. Let's say that I'm searching for something like I want some coupon codes or offers that are available on offers on let's say that Mintra. I want to know them. And here I have a few of the websites, but I don't know which of these is recent ones. To only view your recent search results, you can do one thing: go to this more, and here you can just find you can just go to this tools, click on this tools, and here you can find this anytime. So check it to past 1 or past 24 hours. And also the good part is you can even customize this time span. You can just go for this custom range, and you can give whatever range you are willing to see this search results in between. Let's say that for the recent ones we can go over 24 hours or past 1 week, and you can just click on the custom range and you can give your own range, something between May 5th to May 11th. So click on go, and then you can just see these recent ones which are in between 3rd May to 11th May. In this way you can filter out your results on Google. Now let's say that you want to search for something on YouTube. So for that we'll just go to YouTube, and we'll search for anything, something like WordPress tutorials, something like that. But the other thing that we could do is, like, instead of going to youtube.com and searching for our thing which we want to search it on the YouTube, we can directly do that from the Chrome, from the Google. So you can create a shortcut of your address, YouTube address, on your address bar by using this trick, that is, just go here and click on the settings, and you can find this default browser, and above it you are having the search engine. Click on this manage search engines, and here you can see few of the search engines and their shortcuts. Here we can click on add search engine, site search. You can name any search engine name. Let's say that I just name it to be YouTube, and the shortcut can be anything, so I can give it to be something Y. And URL, so our URL will be something like this www.youtube.com, and you need this short code to be pasted, this one, and click on add, so that it gets added, and we can just see it over here. And now if we just go here and just click on Y space, let me just reload this, go to the Chrome, go to the Google, and Y space, and let me just save this. And once we go here, and now let me just say that I have my shortcut to be YT, and here also we can use this YT space, and here you can see this automatically shows this search YouTube option. And now I can again search for something like WordPress, and it will be directly taking you to the YouTube search engine. Okay, so now let's say that you want to just search for some specific file type on Google. Let's say that I want a file for create a website, but I want a PDF file. So for that you can just do something like file name with a with a colon, and here you can give your file type, that is, let's say that mine is PDF. Let me just open this. a small correction, that is file type colon PDF. And here you can see that we got all these PDF files. And if I just click on one, I could get redirected to a PDF file, something like this. So in your case also this goes like this: topic name, file type colon, and the file type, whatever type you are requiring to be. So in my case it is PDF file. Now let's say that you want to find similar sites to any of the sites. Let's say that I want to find similar sites like eBay. So we can do something like related colon ebay.com. So related colon your website name, and it will be showing you all this related websites like eBay, and you can just choose one among them and you can use it accordingly. And next comes this, that like if you open a website and you want to search for specific words, how can you do this? Let's say that I have some website, so let me just choose one from here like this. And you need to press on this control plus F, and here you can see this bar. And let's say that I want to enter some word, that is day. Click on enter, and here you can see that automatically the day is highlighted, and it is showing that it is for 13 times it is used in this entire page. And you can just use this up and down arrows to check wherever you have this day. So in this way you can search for some particular words on your website. And if you want to search for any photos that are related to your photo, like if you're having any photo like of a speaker or earphones, and you want to get some similar photos, some related photos to your image that you're having on your PC, you can go to this images.google.com, and here you can search for images. Now we can click on search by image. You can upload your photo, like whatever photo you are having, and then you can get all these related and similar images from the Google. And next, and if you are shopping and you want to shop in certain price ranges, you can use this something like 200 dot 500, and this is your product name. And once you search on this and go to the shopping, here you can find all the products that are related to your search, which are in between 200 to 500, something like this. So this is how we can filter your shopping search results also. And now let's say that we are searching for something, some images we are having. So we can see in this step we'll see how to search with the Google Lens. So here we have this image, right click on this image, and here we have this search the image with Google Lens. So here let us open this, and we can see that like we are having these dots. So if we just click on this, so this will be finding this particular similar image sources. And if we click on this, you can see that this particular similar image sources are being displayed, visual matches. So this is MacBook High Sierra, and also you can even just click on this to see other matches. In this way you can search for your image on this Google Lens, and you can search for individual parts of it. And then let's say that you want to search images but of some fixed size. For that you can do something that you can do is give your topic name, and you need to use this image size image size colon, and you need to enter your image size. And here you can see that I have this size, and all my images in the search results are of this 1920 cross 1080 size. In this way you can filter out your images with some particular size. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.